This is big. You drop a bomb like this, there's gonna be fallout.
That not even Falcone can survive.
Why give it to me then? You don't know how much I appreciate it, but you're Wayne. You could have given it to anyone.
I need an ally in the press.
After handing me something like this, I'd say you got one for life. Falcone's slippery, but this is enough to hang him out to dry. What this could do for the city, my career, I'm just wondering what the cost is gonna be.
It'll be worth it.
I don't know, Bruce. Falcone doesn't like bad press. If I run this story, I put a price on my head. The next time my name appears in the media, God, it might be an obituary. Falcone has a way of handling reporters he doesn't like.
I'll protect you, I promise.
Chivalrous, but unnecessary. You're not Batman. I always think, crime in the city, it's a hydra. You cut off one criminal's head.
3 more appear in its place. I know.
Unless we kill the beast once and for all. But who's even capable of that? If we don't act fast, that void will be filled by someone far worse. Wouldn't be the first time.
Batman's a symbol of hope, and that is better than any army.
If Gotham can rally around him, right now, he's just a monster of the week. It's a good thing you gave this to me instead of the police. Could end up buried in some evidence locker and not on every screen in Gotham where it belongs.
Public attention, that's what brings down men like Falcone. Not a bullet.
Though after my story runs, he might get that too. I'll be seeing you, Bruce.
It's done.
Good. So is our hunt. The drones located Falcone downtown, a place called the Skyline Club. Although you're not dressed for that kind of party.
Well, I can always change in the car.
Ach du Scheiße. Wie geil ist das denn? So, und jetzt begrüße ich euch recht herzlich zu einer neuen Folge von Batman, The Telltale Series, Episode 1, Skyline Club, ne, im Schatten. Und hammergeil bis jetzt gemacht, dieses Spiel. Hui!
The drone's cameras and scanning tech are fully functional.
All right.
Die Drohne ist hier. Wenn wir Falcone hier Balkon ansehen.
Good point of entry.
Guter Eingangsort. Okay. Gäste ansehen.
Tell me another.
What's the difference between the Mafia and City Council?
I don't know. Aren't they the same thing?
Only one of them is organized.
Ooh. You're cute.
Schlechter.
You alone?
Not anymore, Ostak.
Okay. Überwachungskamera.
Cameras.
The entire floor is under surveillance. You'll be detected as soon as you enter.
No time for subtlety.
Okay, Kameras.
Where's Nikki? In lockup. Again? Christ, Kimmy. What did they pinch him for now? Some hit down at the docks. Nikki? No. I didn't think he was a hatchet man. You and me both. Well, does he got an alibi? Honey, I'm always his alibi.
Okay. Noch mehr Gäste.
Yeah, no broken bones.
Still healing from the last time, I bet. All it took was a couple of C notes this time. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, my ass. I know you burned powder tonight. The whole city can smell it.
Okay.
The white rose. Falcone's symbol.
A red rose after tonight.
Heute haben wir eine rote Rose. Kunst.
Nothing here.
That's the
Yeah.
heavily guarded door in the building.
Gotta be Falcone's hideout.
Well, it won't be as easy as ringing the doorbell.
4 armed guards. Stealth not an option. I'll put together a plan of attack. Stand by. Couple of options for taking this guy down.
Mafiosi. Genau. Den pritschen wir quasi gegen die Wand. Dann gibt es, glaube ich, noch einen hier auf dem Balkon. Den genau. Den schmeißen wir die Brüstung runter. Oder so. Das ist gemacht. Gibt's hier aber noch. Den Mafiosi da hinten.
This one might be tricky. Any ideas?
I've got it covered, Al.
Wandschirm. Tisch. Mal schauen.
Bruce, have you formulated your plan of attack?
Ja, ich gehe rein.
Very
Wird
good,
sicher
sir.
gut sein.
Your turn to crash his party.
Glaube ich. Werden wir mal schauen. Shit. Ich liebe die Kampfszenen, echt.
Goddamn circus freak!
What the fuck?
Show yourself! You got no goddamn right to be here! I want God. The hell?
Und da bin ich. Autsch. Ah, Tür verschlossen.
How about this one? You can't sneak up on me.
EMP armed.
Ich weiß nicht, was das Batman-Zeichen da unten zu bedeuten hat.
Get your goddamn hands off of my suit!
Stay down, Falcone.
Bleib unten.
We can end this now.
You got a lot to learn, kid.
Oh oh.
Explosives armed. Fire when ready.
Ja, versuchen wir das mal. Oh, ich liebe meine Spielereien hier. Echt, macht immer Spaß. So, Falcone. Rede, ich werde dich fallen lassen.
Answers now, or you fall.
You would. All right.
The chemicals. Where are they?
What?
I found your calling card at the docks. The White Rose.
You think I wanted to lead you here? Yeah, something reeks about this whole thing. And it is a dead bat.
Still want to play games?
We're all being played here, including you. Those chemicals you're so riled up about, they're mine, all right? But someone is trying to cut me out of the deal because I did not make that mess at the docks.
Then who did?
No, we're done. Gotham's watching now. Go ahead. Give him a show. Oh, wait. What the hell are you?
Spill it, Falcone, while you still can.
It's... the Waynes. They're behind all this.
What do you mean?
You really want to take down crime? Well, the Waynes are the biggest gangsters in Gotham.
Ich verstehe noch nicht wirklich ganz viel davon, aber...
Oh my God! Take him out!
Ich denke mal, das war ein Fehler, Falcone auf den Dings zu schmeißen, aber irgendwie war das das Einzige, was ich gerade gesehen habe.
Fire and smoke could reportedly be seen from street level. Tonight, the Skyline Club, a high-rise mafia hangout in downtown Gotham, was the arena for a clash between the notorious Batman and alleged mob boss Carmine Falcone, who was brutally wounded in the attack. Oh! Though I'd say the crime boss getting his is well overdue, Falcone has slipped through the law's grasp for years. But after this dramatic arrest and a stunning expose by Gazette reporter Vicky Vale, Falcone's going away for a long, long time. And speaking of newly uncovered criminal dealings, this brings me to the story everyone is talking about. The Wayne family. For generations, the big W on the Wayne Enterprises tower was a reassuring sight. You knew that there was something pure at the heart of Gotham. That this city, for all its faults, was built by good people. But with Thomas and Martha's shining reputation called into question, we no longer have such assurances. And even worse, it seems the apple hasn't fallen far from the tree. Gotham's greatest son, Bruce Wayne, seen here in the company of gangsters, may be just as crooked as his parents. In his defense, Wayne fired back saying,
"This story about my family is exactly that. A story. It's a work of fiction all the way through."
In a world where the Waynes, our golden family, are corrupt, who are we left with? Who can Gothamites look up to? The monster Batman? Only time will tell. Meanwhile, we'll keep digging for the truth. But the prominent feeling throughout Gotham is that the Waynes' time in the sun is ending.
Batman bildet sich wirklich nah.
The car. This entire cave.
Master Bruce?
Everything I built. I created all of this because I didn't want any more innocent people to die. If Falcone's telling the truth about my parents, then what the hell did we do this for?
Bruce,
What have you been hiding from me? Alfred!
Ja. Das war Episode 1, Reich der Schatten. Bist du vor Falcone für Harvey eingestanden? Du und 69,5% der Spieler trotzen Falcone und ließen Harvey am Treffen teilnehmen. Die Entscheidung teilen. Ach nee. Nee. Du bist nun einen Schritt davon entfernt, deine Geschichte zu teilen. Ja. Nee. Hast du Wiki-Kommentar für ihre Story gegeben? Du und 88,6% der Spieler gaben Wiki den Kommentar, dass die Korruptionsgeschichte rein Erfindung ist. Ja, ich weiß, bei The Walking Dead habe ich da zu den Lösungen immer noch was dazu gesagt, aber bei Batman kann ich das jetzt wirklich nicht ich kann es nicht erklären, beziehungsweise ich sehe nicht ein, was es da zu erklären gibt. Hast du dem Schützen am Dock den Arm gebrochen? Das war ja so eine umstrittene Sache. Du und 53,2% der Spieler brachen dem Schützen am Dock brutal den Arm, so dass er nie wieder ordentlich zielen kann. Ja, warum habe ich das gemacht? Ich weiß es ehrlich gesagt nicht. Auf jeden Fall haben wir doch eigentlich für die Menschheit auch was Gutes gemacht, wenn man dem das Schießen im Prinzip abgewöhnen kann oder verhindern kann. War vielleicht ein bisschen brutal und Batman hat sich in der Episode ziemlich in ein Monster entwickelt, aber auf der anderen Seite hat er doch was Gutes gemacht. Wenn er jetzt einen Arm verschont gehabt hätte, wäre er kein Monster geworden, Batman, aber dafür hätte ein Krimineller immer noch die Machenschaft gehabt, um tödliche Kugeln abzufeuern. Wem hast du denn Falcone-Daten gegeben? Du und 28,1% der Spieler haben die Informationen über Falcone Wiki Whale statt Gordon und dem Gotham City Police Department gegeben. Das erstaunt mich zwar, dass wir da zu den Minderheiten gehören, aber ja, gut. Batman arbeitet ja in der Regel eng mit Gordon zusammen. Wiki Whale sagt mir jetzt nicht viel, aber ja. Was hat Batman am Ende mit Falcone gemacht? Du und 22,3% der Spieler wurden Falcone gegenüber gewalttätig, um ein Exempel für andere Verbrecher zu statuieren. Ja, nee, wie soll ich sagen, das, wie schon gesagt, das war das Einzige, was ich gesehen habe, was ich machen konnte. Ja, und dann, wo ich es gemacht habe, habe ich gar nicht gewusst, was ich eigentlich jetzt genau gemacht habe. Ja, ich wusste jetzt nicht, was ich sonst noch machen hätte können, ehrlich gesagt, aber ja, gemacht habe ich's und ja, das Monster Batman lebt weiter. Ja. Inhalte werden aktualisiert. Ich aktualisiere mal. Ja, gut, das ist ja immer noch quasi gleich wie vorhin. Ja, das war Episode 1 im Schatten. Wie Episode 2 ausschaut, werden wir dann beim nächsten Mal sehen.
They left me as caretaker of their estate, their son, and their secrets. I would never betray them. Your parents were good people, Bruce. No matter what that thug Falcone told you.
Then swear to me there's no truth to it.
The evidence you brought me on Falcone held up. Maybe I misjudged you.
Now Batman's beating up mobsters too. Wonder who he's after next.
Hell of a view.
Bruce, the Wayne name is toxic. I have to do what's best for my campaign. What's best for Gotham. I have to distance myself.
I will find the truth. Along with anyone who stands in my way.
Was? Ah ja. Okay, noch kleine Schleichwerbung hier drin. Ja, das war Episode 1. Vorschau auf Episode 2 haben wir auch schon bekommen. Episode 2 wird also spannend. Und ich sage danke fürs Zuschauen und ja, wie es Episode 2 ausschaut, Kinder von Arkham, das werden wir dann beim nächsten Mal schauen. Tschüss, ciao, ciao.